Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video we will discuss about the different tools and that are available at the status bar and some of the portions that we have not discussed in the previous videos that are available in the main window of the AutoCAD. So let's start. The first one is the UCS, means the user coordinate system. This is the user coordinate system in 2D, and here this is the command line. Through this command line you can communicate with the AutoCAD. So here you can write anything to draw in the AutoCAD. So through this line you can give command to the AutoCAD, and here this is the status bar on the main window of the AutoCAD. Here this is the model. Now we are in the model, and if we want to look at the layout, so we can click on the layout. Now this is the layout view, layout 1. This is the layout 2, and you can add as layout. You can add by clicking on this plus sign. This is the layout 3, and you can also delete it. So we basically draw anything in the model, and we can look it in the layout is how it will look if we print our drawing on a page. So this is the model workspace, and here this is the model, and in the status bar this is the grid mode. So you can on or off the grids in the workspace. Now it is off and now it is on. As you can see, these are the different grid lines. You can also zoom in or zoom out. So these are the different these are the grid lines. So you can on or off by using this tool, grid tools. And this is the snap mode, and in snap mode is snap to polar angles. It is for the polar angle snap, and this is the grid snap. So you can choose either the polar snap or the grid snap, and you can also do the setting of snap in here from this setting. And from this setting you can also customize the different things that you can see here on the snap and grid, polar tracking, object snap, 3D object snap, dynamic input, quick properties, selection, cycling. These are the different tools you can customize by checking or unchecking. These tools are categorized in the drop-down setting. So here this is the dynamic input that you can see. If I want to draw a line, so the dynamic mode of the input is up, so there is no dynamic input with the cursor. If we make it on, means check in, so the dynamic input is now appeared at the cursor. So you can on or off the dynamic input from here. And adjacent to this dynamic input, here this is the restrict cursor orthogonally, means to draw lines that should be at 90 degrees. You can see by example. So you can only draw the lines that are at 90 degrees. So this is the orthogonal mode of the workspace. So if this mode is on, you can only draw the lines which are at 90 degree, and this is called the orthogonal mode. Either on or off you can keep as per your desire. And adjacent to this orthogonal mode tool, this is the restrict cursor to specified angles. Here your cursor will go with different angles. You can customize from here with 90, 180, 270 and 360. You can customize and can select anyone as per your desired work. The next one is the isometric drafting. You can on and or off from here. The next one is the show snapping references line. The next one is the 2D snapping, and here you can show or hide the line weight. So these are the lines. So if we make it to show the line weight, you can see that if we draw a line, so you can see the weight of the line weight. So if you on or off, so if you off the line weight, so the line will appear like this, and when you show the line weight, so means to show, or so the line is looking like this. And if you want to hide, so we'll click on this to hide. The next tool is the transparency. You can on or off from here. This is the 2D 3D snapping. You can make it on or off. The next one is the snap user coordinate system to active solids plane. And here these are the annotations or different types of annotations you are to apply. And here this is the scale of the drawing in which you are working now. So it shows the current scale of the drawing. And here this is the workspace switching. AutoCAD basically providing the three types of workspaces. The one is the drafting and annotation. Now we are working in the drafting and annotation. The next that the AutoCAD provides the workspace is the 3D basics, and the third workspace that AutoCAD providing to us is the 3D modeling. So we can use either on in these trees as per our desired drawings. So you can select your desired workspace for drawing to draw your drawing. So now we are in the first one, which is the drafting and annotation, and normally this is used to draw your drawings in 2D. The next one is the tool which is the annotation monitor, and the next one is the current drawing units. These are the units of the current drawing which is in the decimal. So you can change the units to architecture, engineering, professional or scientific depending on your requirements. The next tool is the quick properties. You can show the quick properties, like if you this is on the quick properties and you click on a line, so the table for the properties will appear. And if it is off and you select the object, so the properties table will not be automatically appear. So The next tool is the next to the quick properties is the lock user interface. Through this you can lock your user interface. And the next one is the isolate objects, and the next one is the annotation monitor. The next one is the system variable monitor, and here this is the clean screen. So by clicking on here you can clear your screen, and you can also customize these different quick access tools in the status bar from here, this button. By clicking on this you can show the different tools in the status bar, or you can hide by uncheck and you can show by check. And so these are the different tools that are you can show or hide on the status bar. So this was all about the different portions and the tools available at the status bar. So now if you have any questions in these tools or in portions of the window or in the previous video, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. And in the next video we will properly discuss in detail the different tools that are available in the home tab. These tools will be discussed in the next video. So keep watching and thanks for watching this video.